Starting from a morning jog to stimulating yoga sessions to experimenting with fad diets and the latest craze workouts. Starting from a morning jog to stimulating yoga sessions to experimenting with fad diets and the latest craze workouts, there is nothing we won't try if it holds the promise of giving us a long, healthy life. However, as the Indian population swells, health statistics tend to get more and more worrying. When it comes to life expectancy, India ranks considerably less favorably than other developing countries. Its life expectancy is 65 years compared to 83 of Japan. Heart disease is the single largest cause of death in the country, and we rank just behind China as the diabetes capital of the world. So how do we rebalance these worrying trends? How do we apply the harmony of Shunya to modern healthcare in India? Can we reduce the number of infant mortalities? Can science help protect the integrity of medicines we ingest? These are some of the questions we will look to answer over the next half an hour. We have a common refrain when somebody comments on our physical characteristics. It's all in my genes. You might be living the healthiest lifestyle, but nothing can alter your genetic predisposition to ailments. Chronic diseases in India account for at least 53% of all deaths and 44% of all disabilities. But did you know that you can actually leverage your genes to work for you in order to create a promise for a better future? Prevention is better than cure, and so is decoding your genetic ailments. Understanding your genes can play a life-changing role in predicting the cause of chronic diseases. That's exactly what Xcode Lifelong Wellness is offering to its customers, combining the power of genomics, nutrition, and fitness to help achieve zero lifestyle disorders.
In India, the last decade, we've seen an explosion in the number of diseases that have achieved chronic status. If you look at diabetes alone, there are about 62.4 million people who have been affected by diabetes in the year 2011. Somewhere, the environment, along with its commercial factors and emotional and social factors, has degraded the human quality of life. And in this march of getting more and achieving more, we all have started giving less importance to health.
Nutrition, fitness, and DNA hold the key to good health. Understanding the importance of fitness and well-being in our lives and our ignorance towards it, fitness enthusiast Dr. Salim Muhammad pedaled into the field of bioinformatics in 2010 to provide preventive healthcare measures in India. He started Xcode Life Sciences to introduce a simple saliva test through which people could detect their propensity towards genetic diseases.
If you were to look at any lifestyle disease, there is a genetic component and there is an environmental component. So what we tell our customers is their risk for genetics, and the environmental component, which is diet, nutrition, fitness, all of that is variable and it is in control of the individual. So by giving them their genetic risk, we really encourage our customers to modify their lifestyle to suit their DNA, and in this way they can bring down the risk of chronic illness.
Many individuals like Bharat Kumar, an IT professional, can assess risks to their current health situation and predispositions towards various chronic ailments from a 2 milliliter saliva sample.
From my father's side, there's a whole lot of people with diabetes, and from my mother's side, there's significant exposure to BP and heart disease. So I do know I have this propensity towards these diseases. Came to know about Xcode through an article I read in the media. Made a lot of sense. I just thought we should give it a shot. So in the period of 5 weeks, the report came back to me, and it was very clear that my propensity or risk for diabetes was pretty high. It's one thing knowing that a lot of people in the previous generation in your family have it, and another, somebody qualified telling you in written word that, you know what, you better take care. So that's what propelled me into action, and because of this, my lifestyle changed. What used to be a maximum of 2 times a week kind of exercise sort of became daily.
The microarray technology and the DNA isolation process enable these notable results. Xcode, through its extensive research on DNA and genome mapping, provides personalized information for health and wellness enthusiasts by directing them to healthy and preventive measures.
As soon as the data comes from the lab, we do the analysis, and we get the data as a genotype, which we convert into the risk categories. After we convert the customer's data into the risk categories, since we also study the metabolic profile for customers, we make tailor-made diet recommendations to the customers based on their predisposition risk to diseases and to the metabolic profile that they fall under.
Every third person in India is young, and according to industry experts, the primary risk factors of chronic diseases, tobacco and alcohol, poor nutrition and working till late hours are typically initiated during young adulthood, setting the stage for later disease. In that scenario, how does the innovation in DNA assessment help the target group?
Ideally, we recommend that anybody who's in between 30 to 45 take this assessment, because that's when they're going through a lot of stress, work-related stress, late nights, long work hours, and frequent travel. So what we recommend is people that age segment take this test so that they'll know what the risk is, and if they do have high risk, then it's high time that they also try and cut down on their long work hours.
With a goal to enable individuals control their own health through their DNA, the team at Xcode is working on providing personalized healthcare plan to individuals to eventually provide zero risk to health.
We believe that genetic assessment is beneficial to anybody, because once you identify what your risks are, then you can lead a healthy life by incorporating some changes in your lifestyle. So while as a company we do aim in terms of a long-term goal, we do aim that we should get to zero illnesses in the future, but given the current condition that we have 55% deaths due to chronic illnesses, in the short term what we'd like to focus on is really bring down the risk or the illnesses even by 5%, like let's say from 55% to even 50%. I think we would have done our job. That's what we are aiming at in the short term. Of course, in the long term, we do want to get to a stage where we have zero health risks and zero illnesses in the country.
Despite the healthy food that we eat and the time we spend in staying fit, in modern India, our reliance on medicines and vaccines for treating diseases is a matter of fact. But what if some of India's best medications are not even reaching consumers safely? Most pharmaceuticals are temperature sensitive, and the problem of spoiled medicine is made all the more real because of our high temperature and cold chain shortfalls. As one of the largest exporters of generic pharmaceuticals in the world, India must work towards zero spoiled medicine if we want to preserve the health of our nation and this important industry. Next, we will meet a company whose chief endeavor is to enable quality medications to safely reach consumers.
My name is Pavni, and I'm working with the insurance sector, and apart from the insurance sector, what keeps me busy is my madam here, who's 6 years old, and her name is Meher. She is a very active child and keeps me on my toes the whole time. I don't even have time to do anything, but there are no grudges because I absolutely enjoy being with her.
One of the biggest testing times for Pavni, like for any other parent, is when her child is sick. And medicines and antibiotics become critical, life-saving. But what if, in addition to the anxiety of your child's health, you also have to worry about the quality of medicines you are giving your child?
What scares me more is that in addition to worrying about how my child is feeling and she should be well as soon as possible, I even have to worry about how safe the medicines are that I'm giving to her. I mean, the medicine should be such that should cure the illness and make her well as soon as possible. So it's really important that the medicine should be of a proper quality and a proper product.
You know, in hot tropical countries like India, the ambient temperatures can go way above 40 degrees centigrade. Under such circumstances, when the temperature-sensitive goods like pharmaceuticals are transported, their quality can be compromised.
India's pharmaceutical market is amongst the largest in the world. And one of the biggest players in the country is Dr. Reddy's, who make it their mission to ensure that you and your family get the very best in healthcare services and medicines that are safe, reliable and of quality.
Our company is built around delivering high quality and affordable innovations. So that's really the core purpose for Dr. Reddy's in India. That supply chain has to be in place to ensure that those products are delivered, be it the hills of northeastern states or the desert of Rajasthan, or Srinagar.
Dr. Reddy's has partnered with DuPont Technologies to ensure that shortfalls in supply chains don't come at a fatal cost to the patient. The innovation too makes sure this happens. Tyvek protected air cargo covers from DuPont Technologies.
Keeping our medicine, in the right temperature is paramount for us, for not only for the stability of the medicine, but there are technical requirements and specifications for us to make sure that the product is maintained in the right temperature and that is delivered to the patients without compromising temperature needs and supply chain.
How do DuPont Tyvek air cargo covers help in maintaining critical temperatures in transit?
Tyvek is one of the most unique materials which allows reflection of sunlight, which allows air to pass through, but it doesn't allow water to go in. It behaves just like human skin. It is formed by temperature bonding of very fine fibers, and therefore it reflects the sunlight in a very natural way.
The quest is to reduce wastage of crucial medicines while in transit and pave the way for zero loss of life.
DuPont Tyvek is a significant innovation for us. It helps us augment our products and provides the right environment and context for those products to be transported. And the way it helps the product is improving the stability, right? So if you maintain temperatures around the product, it will improve the stability of the product and therefore it will improve the shelf life.
If we are able to protect the quality of medicine, that's the biggest thing which we all are working towards. So DuPont is collaborating with the pharmaceutical companies to ensure that the medicines are protected and they are able to retain the quality and therefore work towards a goal of zero illnesses and health for all.
Because at the end of the day, your family's health and their smile is what you live for.
From decoding your genes to keeping medicine safe to critical care equipment, after the break we meet another path-breaking company on the quest to preserve life at the most delicate stage.
वही पर मन में डर हो गई जो ऐसा करते तारी शादी में कह दे ड्राइवर से तरीके काम बाटे बोली ले जे हे भगवान हमारा आदमी के सही सलामत लेकर आवे वही पर मन में डर हो गई जो ऐसा करते तारी शादी में कह दे ड्राइवर से तरीके काम बाटे बोली ले जे हे भगवान हमारा आदमी के सही सलामत लेकर आवे चले।
हम 20 साल से ट्रक ड्राइवर के काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इंडिया के अंदर में ड्राइवरी में रोड है, गड्ढा है और ज़्यादा एक्सीडेंट होता है। अगर थोड़ा मिस्टेक करते हैं तो गाड़ी मतलब पलटी होने के चांस रहता है।
ट्रक का इम्पोर्टेंट बहुत है, इसलिए 70% माल की ढुलाई या ट्रक से होती है और हम बिल्कुल चाहते हैं कि ट्रक ड्राइवरों के लिए हमारी ट्रक सेफ्टी हो। ट्रक ड्राइवर को इंडिया में आज के दिन में बहुत सारी परेशानियां उठानी पड़ती। ट्रकों के द्वारा लगभग 20,000 दुर्घटनाएं एक साल में होती हैं। फेस टू ड्राइवर को ही करना पड़ता है।
We have new trucks which we call the Prima range. One of the areas that we really had to work on was the axle. We needed a very strong axle which could withstand high temperatures and high usage.
DuPont has a long history of collaborating with Tata Motors for the development of components. If the rear hub seal leaks, it can cause to the early failure or stopping of the vehicle on the road. DuPont suggested whiten elastomers for this application, which can be worked at a very high temperature, which will make the trucks more safer for the drivers.
हमको ये जब से प्राइमा गाड़ी निकला है, ये गाड़ी पर हमने अपने आप से भी ज्यादा भरोसा है कि जो हमको रास्ता में कभी धोखा नहीं देगी। बीवी और बच्चे को ये चीज है कि ये गाड़ी भरोसेमंद है, एक गाड़ी चलाने से वो लोग के चिंता कम रहता है।
Nothing warms your heart more than the sight of a happy, healthy baby. But the reality is, even before stepping into the world, these tiny beings face health issues. Perhaps more so than any other episode so far, we need to apply the Shunya mindset to this issue. We owe it to our children to strive for a zero infant mortality rate. Nearly 5% of 25 million babies born in India contract a critical form of jaundice. Alarmed by these statistics, the folks at GE Healthcare combined imagination and innovation. The result? A solution to fight this Indian issue and bring down the mortality rate to zero.
This is baby Anya, born just 15 minutes ago at the Cradle Hospital in Bangalore. Outside her mother's womb, her first home is this bed, GE's Lullaby Baby Warmer, designed to give the much-needed warmth to a newborn.
The need for a warmer is because when a baby is in the womb, it is in a warmth of the mother's womb, which is 98 Fahrenheit or 37 Celsius. So when the baby comes out, every baby, even a normal baby, feels a thermal shock, and it feels very cold. It would be like going out in the snow. So what you need is the warmth to be continued for the baby to get acclimatized to the atmosphere. Now, if you have premature babies or low birth weight babies, then they have this problem which is even more severe because they are fighting for survival, and if they don't have warmth, then they use up all their energy to warm themselves, and if they use their energy to warm themselves, then they cannot fight the other things which they need to survive or to grow.
Millions of babies like Anya are at risk. Risk of being born premature and not surviving because of lack of critical and affordable infrastructure.
India has the highest number of infant deaths in the world, and clearly there is a need for equipment, training, personnel, and awareness to drive down infant mortality.
Providing a safe start to babies is the philosophy that drives Team GE.
Very simply, the power of Shunya would mean that there should not be a single baby out there who should die needlessly. You know, a baby who dies without access to healthcare and healthcare technology that is available around, right? It is not that the technology is not there. Technology is out there. There should not be a single baby who dies for want of a ventilator or want of a warmer or want of a phototherapy equipment.
Taking their inspiration from a mother's lullaby, GE Healthcare has designed the LED baby warmer and the LED phototherapy system as their ammunition in the warfare against infant deaths.
This is the bed, and what you see here is a mattress. This mattress, for a lot of manufacturers in other baby warmers in India, has a zip or has stitches. This is a non-stitch mattress, and the reason this is non-stitch is that if you have stitches or zip, you will have infection, and then the infection can affect the baby. Another example is the heater itself. The heater is the most crucial part of this product because it provides warmth and heat to the baby. Most heaters in other warmers which are available in India are ceramic or quartz. The problem with those heaters is twofold. One is they don't have the quality or reliability, and they don't last too long, and they can break down easily. Also, they don't have the kind of uniformity that is required on the bed. You don't want to warm the baby just in the center. You want to keep it warm throughout the body. We have what is called a CalRod technology. Again, technology which is used in our most premium product. So we bring the same technology and we put the CalRod heater and we have a nice reflector. And this allows for a great uniformity on the entire bed, which allows for, again, great uniform heating to the baby.
GE Healthcare also has the LED phototherapy system in its war chest, which uses the exact wavelength of blue light for treating jaundice in newborns.
LED phototherapy device is something that is used to cure the neonatal baby of its jaundice. Jaundice is caused because of the high content of bilirubin in the body. Phototherapy, because of the wavelength of the LED lights that we use, helps break that bilirubin down to normal levels, and therefore you cure the baby of jaundice.
The cornerstone is addressing the problems of accessibility, affordability, and quality. Team GE has partnered with the government hospitals, private hospitals, and primary rural healthcare centers to make sure technology reaches those who need it the most.
We work very closely with key luminaries. Luminaries are doctors and specialists who are known for, let's say, pediatric care. So we work with neonatal intensivists who know what it means to take care of a premature baby. Second partnership is we work with several governmental agencies because they are the ones that drive policy reforms on healthcare. Working with them, we've got brilliant people there. So partnering with them, helping them understand what kind of technologies we produce. How does it actually drive affordability to the masses?
With its LED Lullaby baby warmers and the LED phototherapy system, GE Healthcare in India is powering ahead in its quest for zero. This is a place where technology gets a human face and a mission for a healthier India is realized.
We want to be providing an environment which is most safe with the least or almost zero risk to the baby, as well as zero failures for the equipment.
Technology is a big cool, but what's cooler for us is the fact that we're actually able to save lives. The fact that we're actually able to solve a problem for a customer where they are able to impart good healthcare to people who could never afford it in the past. That really is what gets us up in the morning and gets us motivated to come to work here at GE.
When it comes to healthcare in India, it seems that the country is divided into two. The first India provides high quality medical care to those who can afford it. And then there is the other India, where there is little access to quality healthcare. This gap needs to be bridged. Throughout the course of the past half hour, we have seen companies on the most important quest of all, a quest to save human lives, working towards zero loss of lives, be it infant health, to preventive diagnosis, to preserving the integrity of medication. If you too have an innovation that is solving or has the potential to solve some of the biggest problems we are facing today, you can write into us at powerof13@timesgroup.com. This could earn you a chance to feature on this show. Until next week, when we take you on another such path-breaking journey, it's goodbye from me, Anupam Kher.
On The Power of Shunya, next week, we meet an innovator dedicated to generating wealth from plastic waste. A company that solves the problem of all your e-waste. And another company that's come up with an innovative way to deal with your kitchen waste.
तो हमारे हस्बैंड रोड एक्सीडेंट हुआ, दैट मीन्स उसका कुछ अनसेफ्टी थी, तो टाटा स्टील में मैं हस्बैंड का सर्विस हमें मिली है.
We were seeing women employees wearing the traditional sarees that could lead to major injuries.
हम लोग टाटा स्टील में साड़ी से पैंट शर्ट में आना पहला लेडीज थे हम लोग. औरत सब कुछ कर सकती है.